Hina naman na itong kas na ito makalasing. Bakit ayaw pang magsayaw?
For the first time.
Ay, naku. Ha? Ang hina naman kas na ito. Ang hina naman na itong kas na ito. Ayaw pang magsayaw.
Yun, di ba? Oo. Nagmayatay. At last friend.
Passion prayer. Ay,
Pasan din Spider-Man. Makuling na to Spider-Man. Nakatalo mo tayo.
Spider-Man, ha? Spider-Man, Aquaman, Wonder Woman, Superman. Gentleman.
Don't let me down.
Una na yan, Jets eh.
Don't let me down.
Don't let me down.
May third voice.
Isa lang yung lyrics?
Don't let me down. Mahirap pagka yun yung malinaw eh. Don't let me down.
Salang no lyrics.
Pabalik-balik ah.
Don't let me down. Ano yun, lalabas na yan. Ang hirap tumabot. Ang hirap labasan ng kas na to ah. Mahirap pang ilabas yung mga mob ah.
Yung kanta natin doon? Ano ba? Ano yung kanta natin doon?
Don't let me down again.
Let it be naman, let it be naman. Let it be, let it be.
Yung kinanta natin doon sa kumpanya. Aray!
Yes.
Hey!
Yung let it be naman, let it be.
Natapos din.
Let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Puro let it be naman.
Nakakapagod yung lilit ko.
Nakakasawid dito.
Cambodia. But he is so very good in speaking English.
Don't sit. Driver's very drunk.
We're dangerous.
Don't sit, very dangerous. Driver's drunk. No.
The driver rides
Drunk.
Class. Naku.
Kaya mo itong
Ako dyan. May know that. No, I'm joking. Oh, no problem.
Handball.
Kimso!
Chulmoy. Ay, obso. Eh.
Tagalog.